toys away. Pick them up, don't let them stay. And clean up every day. Blocks in the basket, one by one. Cleaning together is so much fun. Stick them high and watch them run. We're almost done. Teddy on the shelf so high. Call, say goodbye. Books go back where they should lie. Wave your toys bye-bye. Wipe the table nice and slow. Push them, there we go. Clap your hands and smile and glow. Look how clean it shows. Clean up, hooray, hooray. We worked hard today. Now it's time to jump and say we did it! Hip hip hooray!